We are crossing a line we've never crossed before. For all of human history, we invented tools that were extensions of our body. The hammer extended our fist, the car extended our legs, the telescope extended our eyes, and the airplane extended our reach. Then we built computers, extensions of our brain, helping us process and store information. Then came AI, not an extension, but a mirror, copying what we do. Yet, these tools still waited for us. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they answer questions, write emails, and create presentations. But when you close your laptop, they stop. You sleep, they sleep. You forget to ask, and they do nothing. But AI agents, they're the first tools that don't wait. They act. They observe your patterns. They predict your needs. They make judgment calls. They act on your behalf, even while you sleep. Think about yesterday. How many small decisions did you make? Check email, reply to some, book meetings, call potential clients, apply to jobs, order lunch, fix problems, pay bills, and so forth. Now, imagine waking up and it's all done. Not because you asked, because your AI agent knew. Here's what nobody's asking. When AI agents get good enough at making our decisions, when they are right more often than we are, when their choices lead to better outcomes, do we stop checking their work? Do we stop questioning their logic? Do we stop making decisions altogether? And if we do, are we still in charge, or have we become passengers in our own lives? There's a word for when something else makes all your choices, handles all your tasks, and decides what's best for you. We used to call it childhood. So, what's the one decision you would never let an AI agent make for you? And more importantly, why? Because your answer might reveal what you believe makes you, you. Leave your answers in the comments. Until I see you next time, happy learning and happy eating.
Happy learning and happy